today we'll be going over a market analysis. Today is March 8th, 2022, and we'll be going over a couple of stocks that I was taking a look at today, and also a couple of moves, a couple of trade ideas that I was noticing throughout the market day. So let's get into it. So first off, I want to get another chart on this, and we're going to put SPY. So we're going to take a look at SPY, 1 day, 1 minute. And we're going to be taking a look at AAPL first off. So as you guys can see, if I take a look at the 5 day, 5 minute, Apple has been in a consistent downtrend throughout the past couple of days, had consolidated at one point, broke down, continuation to the downside. So taking a look at Apple, as you guys can see, yesterday had a consolidation period and then ended up breaking down. So it was sort of a bear flag, which means it's a consistent, it's a wedge with lower highs, my bad. And then we were also getting the same type of consistency on today. So we had a support level around 158.20, 158.30, my bad. And then we had a consolidation wedge, lower highs, and then a nice little consolidation 3-bar candle to the downside. And that was the main move right there. I was taking a look at it, and also I was taking a look at Apple at this 159.48 was also a really great breakdown. And so that's Apple. But if you guys can see, we can take a look at BABA. BABA had a similar move, a little more cleaner, had a wedge just like we were talking about, and a push to the downside, wedge over here once again, push to the downside. And now we were looking for a continuation of the momentum this morning, and that's what I was taking a look at. So I had found a level of support, a resistance level. So it was like 96.60. Support was around 96.90, so it was about a 30-cent stop. And then it had a continuation to the downside, like we were talking about, a wedge, lower highs, push to the downside with momentum. Okay, so I can show you guys also NVIDIA. So what I'm just trying to show you guys here and show myself is that the past repeats itself, and the only reason why past repeats itself is because of the emotions of people and the emotions of audience. And yep, that's why things like this keep on happening, and it's nice to know because these are high probability trades, high probability setups, and these are the type of trades you're going to want to take, and I'm going to want to take. So as you guys can see, this is NVIDIA yesterday, and this is Monday. Had a clear support level, we had a wedge to the upside, a wedge once again, a push to the downside, consolidations above support, and then a breakdown, continuation to the downside. So what I was taking a look at with NVIDIA was a continuation to the downside, a continuation of the pressure. We had a clear support level, as you guys can see, clear resistance level. We had a consolidation, push to the downside, and as you guys can see, it had touched once, broke once, immediately got bought up. So this was an area of supply. This is the area of buyers. This is an area where people like to take their profits. And as you guys can see, once we had the clear move down, we had a consolidation candle here, a 3-bar play, and then a push to the downside. Yep. And we can just take a look at one more. So mRNA was another nice watcher. Once again, had a push up just like the other stocks. A push up yesterday, continuation to the downside. Push up yesterday, continuation to the downside. with the consolidation here. So this was one of my trade ideas. I was looking for a 128 break with a stop of 128.60. Once it broke down over here, it bounced once, it pushed up, and then it came back to retest it. I started taking a look at this 60-cent stop, pushed down, created a lower high, and then boom, had a continuation in the move downside. So, yep, that was the things that I was looking at today. As you guys can see, a lot of history is repeating itself, a lot of down pressure, a lot of fear going on in the market. So I hope this helped in any way. And if it did, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe because that would help tremendously. You guys have a great day.